Alright, I'm recording. Hey gang, Andy here. I'm here at Perry Park in Kurihama in the local Yokosuka area to show off a highly unsung tourist location. Here at Perry Park named after Commodore Matthew Perry, who, for you history buffs out there, was the one who opened Japan up to Western trade. And Kurihama is one of the landing points. In fact, I think it's the landing point for him and the Black Ships, as they were known to the Japanese. And inside there's some history of Commodore Perry's landing, and especially being in the Navy, it's a very important moment for me as well. It's kind of one of those, you know, proud to be a sailor moments. So without further yapping, let's show you guys around. So, see you in the next bit. Okay, so right now I'm at the monument that commemorates the landing of Commodore Perry. As you can see there, let me zoom in on the little placard there so you guys can see that. Come on. Monument commemoration of the landing of Commodore Perry, Yosen. Some stuff in French. If you Frenchies out there, you can read that. Anyway, here is the monument in all of its monumental glory. So, here we go. Here is a map showing off some things. So, I'm going to get a good angle of that, and then I'll proceed to read to you guys what it says. On July 8th, 1853, Commodore Matthew Calabrese Perry, USN, United States Navy, Commander-in-Chief of the United States Naval Forces East India, China, and Japan Seas, who anchored offing of Araga, landed here at Kurihama Beach and delivered the letter of President Fillmore to the then Japanese government. Next year, the U.S.-Japan Treaty of Peace and Amity had been concluded at Kanagawa. Such series of events became motive power to bring back Japan, who unilaterally shut its diplomatic door to other countries by the then Japanese government to the world. This monument commemorating the landing of Commodore Perry was erected here, the place relative to the opening country of Japan, on July 14th, 1901, by America's Friend Association 48 years after the landing. And this is the route that he took as well, showing off different points and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And if you guys need a little more time, just pause the video. Alright, so give a look around, and it did snow the other day, so I was kind of shut in, but I'm glad I managed to come out to this place, because it's very important, especially considering what I do, to have a full circle moment like this. So let's get the other side of the monument here. And here you can see in English what it says. Avoid the slush here. Sorry. Alright. As it said in the little placard, this monument commemorates the first arrival of Commodore Perry, ambassador from the United States of America, who landed at this place July 14th, 1853. This monument was erected in July 4th, 1901 by America's Friend Association. So, very, very important and highly unsung tourist location. There's like hardly anybody here. I mean, granted, it's cold and snowy, but seriously, guys, this is especially for Americans, a very important place. So, alright, so we're going to go inside that little building right there and learn a little bit more about Commodore Perry's journey and the signing of opening up Japan to Western trade. So yeah, see you guys inside. Alright, so now we're inside the Perry Memorial Hall, and I just wrote my name in the guest list. I hope I did that right. Hopefully. Anyway, so we'll just show off the various things here. This is a common landmark if you come out to the Yokosuka area. Is the Black Ship and Commodore Perry right there. Here's some literature, the various things out here. Different, I'm not really good at reading Japanese, so you guys will have to fill in the blanks there. So, here's this thing about the monument. This is Commodore Perry's trip from Norfolk, Virginia, all the way out to Kurihama, Japan. Here's a telling of the Black Ships, which is what they were called. And here is the peace treaty out there with Commodore Perry and the Japanese government, including a lot of foreigners, a lot of blondes. So, here they are in negotiations again. And here's some various things. You know, I got Commodore Perry up there. I didn't realize how blonde he was. Just saying. Yeah. And some other things. There's various literatures, and there's actually a festival out here commemorating the landing of Commodore Perry called Perry Festival. And I don't know what what day it is, but I'll have to definitely come back to that, hopefully, if we're not too busy and film, because it sounds like a lot of fun. So, yeah. Oh, if you guys were wondering, this is completely free to the public. You don't have to pay for anything. They're super nice out here. So, yeah, we'll just do a little look around. So, here is a portrait of Commodore Perry. Not exactly the sexiest looking individual, but hey, he's the reason I'm here, right? So, alright, and here are some scale models of the black ships. Sorry, I like saying black ships. It's pretty cool. And there's Commodore Perry's landing spot right there, I believe. If you can read Japanese, you'll be able to tell me better than I can. So this is some cool stuff, man. I'm surprised not a lot of Americans or anybody come out here. So I think there's a little narration thing here too. So I think it actually does a thing. So let's. Ooh, all right. There we go. See one of these? Oh, there it goes.
7月8日午前6時、もうすぐ我々は江戸湾に入ります。今までいろいろな後悔がある。今度は重大な任務の割に妙に落ち着いた気分。ちょっと上へ出てみる。サスケ花号に曳航されているサーフマ号の順調のようだ。ミシシッピ号とプリマス号が見える。沖縄を出発して4日目だ。このまま8ノットで北上すれば艦隊は 2,3 時間で裏返すが、天気はいいが少しもやがかかっている。怒りを下ろし終わったかね、艦長。親も晴れた。浦賀の街並みがはっきり見えるじゃないか。艦長、ブキャナンだ。私は1時間ほど前から日本の役人を乗せた小舟が追いつこうとしているのに気づいていた。だが私は7年前のビットル提督たちの失敗を繰り返さない。もう一度乗組員全員に日本の将軍から直接任命された外交官以外の乗船を厳しく制限するよう君が命令を出したまえ。本っていうか何かね。浦賀の役人のナンバー2だという中島と名乗る男が会いたいというのか。それではブキャナン艦長の部屋で、はい、君が中島と話し合いをしたまえ。君は私の気持ちを理解しているはずだ。もう一度言っておく。厳格な姿勢と外交交渉こそが鎖国という政策を正すことが可能なのだ。
I like the special effects on this. It's nice.
文化が4隻来ましたね。ですから両船が2艘ですね。はい。
Cool. So that's a little narration thing. What? Oh, it's still going. Okay.
今日は7月14日。
白くてこれ準備してんだ。
この日は我々にとっても日本にとっても永久に意味ある日となろう。我々の乗るボートは今まさに久里浜の海岸に接岸しようとしている。 400名の海兵隊員に守られたエルモア大統領の手紙を今こそ日本の首席全権大使の戸田一の神に手渡すことができるのだ。この場所で私が手紙を渡す。この事実がこれからの我が国と日本の関係を決定する第一歩となるのだ。さあ、海兵隊員諸君、我々は意味を正し胸を張って会見の場へ臨もうではないか。
Okay, now I think yep, okay, cool, now it's over. Alright, cool. I don't know how long it's going to be, so I might have to make that its own little separate video. But yeah, here are the various black ships. Different landing points here. I'll zoom in so if you can read some Japanese. There you go. Different black ship landing points. Just have to move over now. So glad about this. This camera is pretty stable, all things considered. So there's that. And zoom out. Oh, there's one more. Almost forgot. Yeah. So all in all, pretty cool place. Alright, so let's continue on.